Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. If you're new here, thank you for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Today I'll be showing you how to customize your YouTube channel. So if you've created a YouTube channel, congratulations, it's the best decision you've ever made. So
Be strong.
let's go over to this icon right here. You click on it. If you've created a YouTube channel, it's going to show you your channel. If you've not created a YouTube channel, it's going to show you create a channel. So whichever stage you are, you can do that. So when we come here, your channel, you go over to your channel. Remember, we're looking at how to customize our YouTube channel. So we come over here, you see customize your channel. There are two methods you can do the customization of channel. So let's do this one first and I'll come back and show you the second method. I click on customize the channel. It takes me right to the YouTube studio. So once you're in the YouTube studio, you'll see layout, branding, basic info. You basically see that it's on channel customization. So you can move around and customize what you want to customize in your channel, branding, basic info. I've made a video about that. I'll leave the link in the description on how to create a YouTube channel, upload videos, and set all the settings that are necessary in your channel. So I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. If you need that, you could go check that video up. So let's go back to showing you the second method. So this second method, you come back to the icon here. You can choose to go to YouTube Studio. So once you open the YouTube Studio, it's going to open the entire dashboard for you. So you see your channel dashboard. What you just do is that you come right here, you go right down, you hover your mouse around the icons at the left hand side of your screen. You come here, you hover, you see monetization, you scroll down, you see this one is customization. You click on it, channel customization. So here you customize the channel how you want it to be. Here you add the branding, your photo, your cover banner image, and here you add your basic info, your contact email, and if you want to rename your channel, here is where you do it. That's basically what the tutorial is all about, how to customize your YouTube channel 2 ways real quick. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.